Hi, in this video, you're going to learn how to price your ebook. Pricing strategy is important when you're selling any product. Doesn't matter if it's an ebook or a physical product. You need to make sure that you price your product appropriately. The first thing to do is ask yourself, what value are you offering? Value then equates to the price that you put. In other words, what result are you offering to your customers? Think about the end user or the end reader. What do they get after reading your ebook? Is it a solution to their financial issues, or are they going to be debt-free, or are they going to lose weight? Are they going to improve their relationships? Are they going to be a more confident speaker, or are they going to have more freedom to choose what they want to do? That's the result that they're going to get. That's the value that you're offering to your readers. So think about that first. And it's also the way you frame your offer. On your sales page, if you're offering those results, if you're offering lots of benefits, then the price can be justified, even if you put it up high. Some pricing strategies, really, if you're pricing it low, then people might question whether your content is good at all, or there must be a catch, or it must be too good to be true. You could price your ebook at $100 and people might see it as a premium product, and they associate the price with quality and better service and more content that's going to help them. And what normally happens is when you price your products higher and at a premium, people normally value it a lot more than if it were just $1 for an ebook or $7 for an ebook. If you take a look at Apple, for example, the iPhone, it's expensive, but people associate that price with the value that they're getting. And another example, let's compare a Ferrari compared to a Hyundai vehicle. People want prestigeness, so they purchase the Ferrari because they know that not many people have the Ferrari. It's all benefit driven in the end. It's the value that you're offering in the end. Another factor to consider is, where are you selling your ebook? Are you selling it on Amazon? Are you selling it on jvzoo.com? Are you selling it on clickbank.com? Or are you selling it on the Warrior Forum? If you're selling it on the Warrior Forum, then people usually price their products very low, such as $2, $3, $5. JVZoo tends to sell products at $7, $10, $17, and $27. And if you take a look at ebooks sold on Amazon, you can see and find a lot that are just 99 cents. And people do this as a strategy to get a lot of buyers. So they're making sales based on volume. The bottom line is, there's no rule for pricing your ebook. Just because it's 50 pages, it doesn't mean that you can price it at $97. Just because your ebook is 10 pages, it doesn't mean that you should price it at just $5. Those 10 pages could be very valuable, and you could easily charge $47 for it and people would buy it. Consider these factors into your pricing strategy.